LeafSpy Pro on a Nissan Leaf battery. This one is a ZE1, as you can see, with the 40 kilowatt hour battery. The Hx is starting to get a bit low, so I thought I'd bring it out for a test just to see how the battery responds. This is best done at a much lower state of charge, but this is how the customer brought it to me, so there's nothing I can do about it. In a few seconds I'm going to set off, and you'll hear from the indicator and the road noise how I'm doing. Basically, you need to apply full throttle for 10 seconds or so and watch what happens to the millivolt difference. So this has gone straight up past 300, which at this kind of state of charge is not good at all. It's showing me that the front cells are drooping very badly. Let's do it again. We've got another bit of straight road here, and see if it gives us the same result on a repeat. Yeah, pretty much the same thing, over 300 millivolts, which is doesn't bode well for the future of this battery, sadly. But I shall report back to the customer and we'll go from there. So further to that battery stress test, we're going to just try again, this time focusing on the range and the state of charge percent, and we're going to see if it does the usual collapse of range or not. It's not too bad, but I can only keep the power on for about 10 seconds.